Hello, sports fans. What do we have here? The weird, wacky, and wonderful. This is a bit of a rare bird. Looks like your basic Bsa A65 oil and frame, but it really isn't. This is an A70. This is BSA's attempt at competing on the big tracks by homologating a 750cc motor, which was a BSA with 650 with bigger barrels. And not a lot of success, but hey, they did it. My job is to put this semblance of parts into a motorcycle. All the bodywork's been repainted by the vintage vendor up in Vermont. Does a fabulous job with paint, matching colors, and the quality is really good. But anyway, I digress. My job is to put this all back together and make it look like a motorcycle, which can be done. It would be a lot easier if I had taken it apart, but I didn't. So I've got a bunch of boxes of nuts and bolts and sundry things, and we'll see what we can do with it. I'm not a big BSA fan, but this is a rare model and probably worth the trouble. Anyway, that's what we're doing, and might post some progress reports. We'll see how interesting that looks. But anyway, that's what it is, and there it is. Keep your stick on the ice.